Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 13. In this video, I will show you how to play games in BIGO Live application. Before playing the game, make sure you have downloaded that game in your device. Only then you will be able to play it. If you have already done that, open your BIGO Live application. Click on the camera icon in the middle below. Then you will reach to this page. Below you will see Game Live option. Swipe or click on it. By clicking on the arrow as shown in the video, you will see various games here. To play these games, first you need to download it in your device through Play Store or any other app store. You can also search the game you want by clicking on the search bar here. Once you find the game you want, click on it. Now to play this game, go ahead and click on that Go Live button below and you will be able to play this game. Also, you will be live streaming the game here. This is how you play games in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.